Hey guys, Jill here with Newegg TV with an overview of this inCarBite car mount for iPad. The inCarBite is a device that protects the iPad as a mobile device, and you can enjoy it on the go. It's Apple licensed, made for iPad 1 or iPad 2. It's both CE and FCC electronic certified. It provides durable protection, ABS plastic slim case with a built-in kickstand for mountable attachments. So, we're looking at the boxes right now. There are 4 versions, and the difference between these 4 versions is 2 of them are compatible with the iPad, and 2 of them are compatible with the iPad 2. One of them just mounts and attaches to the car, and the other one charges as well. You can attach a charging cord from the iPad case to your car charger and charge while you drive, which is great for long road trips. All the versions of the inCarBite come with manual, eye mount, and headrest mount. The way that this technology works is through this kickstand right here. This unlock and lock button right here refers to these teeth. When you put the red button into the unlock position, like so, it recesses the teeth. Let's show that on the teeth side. So there you go. We've got teeth, and then bam, they are recessed, which allows you to slide the mount into the headrest mount like so. This is what really allows it to stay connected to the headrest and remain sturdy. So let's do a little demonstration of placing the iPad into the eye mount. The way that you do this is you take the iPad and slide it towards this base key right here. Once it's in place, you're going to slide it up slightly and then put the base key into place. There we go. Now we can use the eye mount as just as a protective case for the iPad, or as a kickstand, allowing the iPad to stand on its own on any flat surface, which is great because the iPad does not have the capability to do that on its own. And now let's move on to putting the headrest mount onto our sample headrest. Very easy to install. These screws right here are thumb screws. You can just remove them with a couple of twists. So the headrest mount comes in 4 pieces. 2 screws, a front piece, and a back piece. Now it's written, there's an inscription right here that says, "Notice, bottom side," and what that refers to is being placed down on the headrest. So once you've placed this down, you then move the top piece into place, screw it back in, and it's important to screw it all the way down and make sure that it's level. That'll ensure that your viewers have the sharpest view of the iPad and whatever movie or app you may be running on it. All right, now we're in business. Once the headrest mount is applied to the back side of the headrest, so this is where a person's head would go, and this is the back side of it, you then would take the red key right here, slide it into the unlock position, and voila! Now we have your inCarBite in fully active mode. You can tilt it depending on the size and location of the viewer. If it's a small child, for example, you can tilt it down so the baby can look up to the iPad. There we go. It's secure and stable and nice and square. While we're looking at it, I wanted to point out that the inCarBite makers were clever enough to put a little button in the place of the unlock key on the iPad right here. So you can click that to unlock it. There's volume control up at the top here. And on the bottom corner, there is a little slot for your headphones. Because there are 2 versions of this case, I want to take a moment and talk about the charging capabilities of the standard and power versions of the inCarBite. The standard version has a nice little cutout on the side, on the bottom, where you can plug in the iPad charging cord and charge like so. And then the power version has a few different options. It has a plug-in here, and it comes with an at-home charger as well as a car charger. The at-home charger, you can just plug it right into that little DC slot and charge from home. Or, thanks to the car charger, which you can attach to the cigarette lighter in your car, and this golden black strip right here, you can actually charge the iPad on the go. You just plug it in to the headrest mount. Make sure the cord is snugly attached into the groove on the lower right side of the headrest mount. Wire it into your cigarette lighter, and then you have a fully functioning charging system for your iPad on the go, in the car. You can take it out and it's still charged. And finally, a demonstration of how to remove the iPad from the iMount. First, lie it flat. Second, remove this base key, and then you want to push down towards the base key on the iPad, leaving some lovely, lovely finger marks all over your beautiful screen. And then on the back, there's this little hole right here, and this hole literally serves the sole purpose of allowing you to push the iPad out of the iMount case, like this. Ooh. No iPads were harmed in the making of this video, I assure you. Then you simply remove it, and voila. Additionally, we wanted to give you a little view of the chargeable iMount case. This is actually the iPad 2 version. You can see right here there is a power strip. This is where all of the energy comes from. And you have the ability to attach the AC adapter to either a hole right on the iMount itself or in the headrest mount. It's a little hard to see, but there's actually right in here another AC adapter. Plug in. And what this allows you to do is to take this charger and really not get it tangled with the iMount at all. It's a 6-foot-long wire, and it just goes right into your cigarette lighter. This has been an overview of the inCarBite car mount for iPad. My name is Jill with Newegg TV. If you'd like to see more tech videos, please check out our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.